Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stream and record with stretched resolution in OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once the application launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll find the File menu. Click on File and from the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will open a new window where you can configure all your OBS preferences. In the Settings window, you'll see a left panel with various options. Click on Output from this list. This section controls how OBS handles your streams and recordings, including quality and format settings. Now, look for Output Mode at the top of this panel. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Advanced. This mode gives you much more granular control over your streaming and recording settings compared to the simple mode. Once you're in Advanced mode, you'll see several tabs at the top. Make sure you're on the Streaming tab. Here, locate the Rescale Output option. This setting determines whether OBS will resize your video output during streaming. Click the drop-down menu beside it and select Disabled. Disabling this ensures your stream uses the exact resolution you configure in your video settings, which is crucial for maintaining your stretched resolution without any automatic adjustments. Next, in the left sidebar, click on Video. This section controls all your resolution and frame rate settings, which are essential for achieving the stretched resolution effect you're after. Look for Base Canvas Resolution. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select your monitor resolution. For example, select 1920 x 1080. This sets the canvas size that OBS will work with. Below that, you'll see Output Scaled Resolution. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select your monitor resolution. You can select 1920 x 1080 to reduce bandwidth and file size while maintaining quality. This determines the final resolution of your stream or recording output. Now navigate to common FPS values. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select 60 FPS. This frame rate setting ensures smooth motion in your streams and recordings, especially important for gaming content. Once you've configured all these settings, click Apply at the bottom of the window to save your changes. Then click OK to close the settings window. Now comes the crucial part for achieving the stretched effect. In the left panel of the main OBS window, navigate to Sources. Right-click on Window Capture or Game Capture in your sources list. Hover your mouse over Transform in the menu that appears, and then select Stretch to Screen. This final step stretches your capture to fill the entire canvas, creating that stretched resolution effect you're looking for. And that's it. You've successfully configured OBS Studio to stream and record with stretched resolution. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.